it's Juliana. We are back on the videos, the tour videos of all the resort rooms. So we are in 2859 in the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino in Atlantic City. You want to see the door? No?
Yeah.
Okay. We just got here. We are in the Celebrity Suite. We were actually supposed to get the Roski Suite. That's what we booked, but they kind of messed up something. There was like a glitch in their system, so hopefully they're gonna.
A little bit of a smaller room.
Yeah,
a little bit of a smaller room we're in now.
Yeah, it's a little bit of a smaller room, but it's still
Nice,
very
yeah.
nice. We just got here ourselves, so we didn't check out too much. So this is the first bathroom. This is the half bath. It's gonna be his. Toilet, sink. It's a very nice size, very decent. Long mirror. Look at yourself before you go out. Very nice mirror. Over here we have a kitchen table.
Dining table.
Sure. If you want to eat at it, or from the outlets, all the shopping, put all your stuff here. Over here's a nice bar. It's very long. There's a dirty spot on there. Well, we didn't check it out yet. Don't touch it. The ice bucket. I kind of like the ice bucket. It looks really cool. I like it a lot. Wine glasses. We can use them later. Hard Rock cups. I like that. So then over here is a mini fridge, and it's actually not full of junk. We can actually use it to put your own stuff in it. Couple cabinets here. What else down here? Just probably
More space?
Yeah, more space. More space. This is nice. We can have like 2 families in here. This is the living area.
Biggest
Nice
TV you ever,
couch.
humongous TV. Can't tell from the video, but it's humongous.
Yeah, no, that's really big. Wow.
Right, isn't it? You can't really tell from in the video. Trust me, it doesn't do justice for
Very,
it.
very big TV. We have our living space here.
Sit next to the TV so I can see it, because you can't. It looks small in the video. That's the TV. It's humongous.
Okay, so then down here there is more. Wow, there's a lot of space down here. Yeah, there's a lot of space down here as well. They're all empty. I like how it's all empty. Then over here, of course, you can close, these blinds that are blackout curtains. But our view still
Incredible.
is
Feel like
incredible.
you're in the ocean.
You're right outside of the beach. It's beautiful. The only thing it could have used was
A balcony.
but you're right here.
Yeah.
Like, look how beautiful it looks. You're right in front of it. And now James is going to take over and do the rest of
Hello.
the room.
So we're heading to the bedroom now. We'll look at the bedroom and the master bathroom, master shower.
Okay.
So you can stand back further, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
I love the bed. It is a nice king size bed. I do like the pillow.
I like the headboard.
Don't use the floor because you don't wash them in hotels, but
Why are you touching it?
it's nice. A nice king size bed. I'm over here. Is a nice TV. Not as big as the other one, but still a nice size TV. You have another fridge in this room. I don't really see the purpose of it, but there's another fridge empty as well. Empty as well. There's some more drawers in here. Let's see what's in there.
They're all empty?
Oh, empty.
Good.
And another drawer space in here.
Finally.
Exercise your thumbs. So a place to put the remote, which is cool. Looks kind of nice, actually. Let's see what else.
The other one, the other side had that too, the other TV.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I love this. When I'm away, I like to do some stuff at desk and stuff, whether it's work or work for fun. So it even comes with a nice envelope with the mail stuff.
Aw, that's nice.
The only thing I don't see is a pen. Oh, down there.
This would have been a very nice Vegas room too.
Yeah,
It's a really big.
When you see
Look
the
at
other video of the tour of the hotel, basically it's like a Vegas hotel.
Yeah.
I love the lamp, the twist lamp. I love that.
That's nice.
Humongous mirror. I mean, absolutely
Yup.
humongous. And then continue on with the fantastic view.
Still here.
This is actually the North Tower, so just the view is beautiful. Look at it again.
It's so pretty. There's
Yeah.
the pier there.
Yeah, the pier.
Boardwalk. Beach.
It's just the Taj
ocean.
Mahal, completely different. You can see the Taj Old Chairman Tower here. Completely different buildings now.
Okay.
I'll head over this way.
Yeah.
So you have 2 different areas. I like the clock. It's the newer clock. I like the phone. It's the newer phone. All the artwork in the room is very nice as well.
Mhm.
All themed off of it. You can tell it's brand new framing and everything.
Which is good.
Like the little pen paper phone over here.
Oh!
Wireless phone, which is very nice.
You missed something.
Oh,
you see it now,
decal
right?
pillow, yeah.
Oh,
That's
that's
cool.
so cute.
Tablet pillow, little decal
Aw.
on the pillowcase.
I love
I
that.
love the wireless phone, by the way. I love that.
Oh, good.
No
Yeah.
wire in the phone.
Yeah.
And then basic drawer and your hotel Bible.
every hotel is supposed to have one, but you
The
know.
closet's a little smaller than
Yeah.
the size, but still
For the
still a
suite
closet, yeah.
size, but it's still decent. It looks smaller
And
for
if
the
you look
actual
closer, you
room
actually See,
size.
this closet was not, it didn't touch it really. So you can see the old marks back from Taj Mahal. Looks like they did a little bit of a paint job down below, but
I mean, they didn't need to do every
Yeah.
single detail.
it's still nice.
Just
The doors
like
are
the
nice
ones-
and everything. Back here, another full-size mirror. We'll take you into the master bathroom.
Mm-hmm.
So over here, master bathroom, starting at 4. It comes with a scale, which is real nice. Over here, you have a lady vanity.
Makeup
area.
vanity here.
Nice little
So
seat.
excited.
Nice size vanity, definitely. Like the tissue box, I like the colors and the decals they're using here. This is a very nice area. Big mirror. Over here, you have a deep soaking tub. It is not. Is it?
It's jetted, right?
I
Yeah.
don't think is it jetted?
Uh-huh.
It is jetted. Yeah, it's bottom jetted.
That's weird.
Yeah.
It's dirty again.
Is that dirty?
Yup. Don't.
It's stained. You can tell. So this
Okay.
is probably from
It's deep though.
Yeah,
How
it's
deep?
deep.
It put your.
Yeah, it's deep. You can
It's
easily soak two people. Nobody will cook you. You can easily soak it. And it's my favorite brand, Toto.
Wonderful.
That's the song after.
Because the song, not because of
These are
anything
people
else.
here, like the little handrail, so it's nice. It's from Taj Mahal, you can tell, because it's not a brand new tub, but it's nice. They definitely did work on it. Over here, nice humongous shower,
I love that.
Welcome
Look at
shower.
that.
nice size. Because of all these nice items from the spa. Now I'm not sure if all the I think only the suites have these items. So these items here are from the Hard Rock Spa. So they're not generic items you're going to see in hotel rooms. These are specifically from the spa, which is called the Rock Spa, which is downstairs in the casino. So you have conditioner, shampoo, and shower gel, and then body soap.
And a towel, I think, right down there. Is there?
Yeah,
Or no? Is that
it's a
just like something?
This little, it's just a washcloth floated up nicely.
Oh, okay. That's for me. Oh, good.
Right over here, you have a double dual sink. So there's 3 sinks in total in this room, and 2 toilet bowls, and 2 fridges. So definitely could fit nice smell.
Very
people.
nice.
Basically, it makes it a little party room too if you bring friends over.
Yeah.
Here's the other toilet bowl here. Nice wall decal art as well. It's like, I was gonna say that doesn't work. Nice decals on the wall, the art, like the microphone look.
Very nice.
That's just about it.
Yeah.
So this room, we're going to Festival Hotel. There's a few little things we saw, but
There's some
overall, it's a great
things.
stay. Great hotel, great room. This room is beautiful. I love it. Kind of like the Mount Airy room.
But the check-in, check-out is not fun.
Yeah, the time. I mean,
It doesn't add up.
It's a big negative. To me, it's a negative. If your check-in time is 4 o'clock and you check out at 11, I feel like if it's 3 o'clock check-in, it should be 11 o'clock check-out. 4 o'clock check-in, it should be 12 o'clock check-out. But
You
we're
know.
gonna do a lot of resorts was like that too out here. So.
I know, but I don't approve. Anyway, we're gonna go check out our room more and the hotel. Any last words? Bye, guys.